Okay, after you loosen them 4 bolts, all you do is you literally just pull it off. See, somebody changed these and he put the wrong ones on because the company sent the wrong part, so this one will come right off. This usually you have to get a hammer and drive a screwdriver through between this right here and your assembly. That tray comes right off with it, and it'll go right back on with a new assembly. So that's what it looks like right there. You clean around these edges, get nice and clean. And if you got some grease, I'll show you, but you want to rub some grease around the new part of the bearings on the assembly.